Looking forward to the seaside zoo?
Yes, I can't wait to get to the beach and the fun fair and the tasty ice creams. Yes!
I see ZOU has all of our beach entertainments covered.
Are you sure you need all these things, Bizou?
Yes, Mum. We need things to play with for the whole day.
And a great day it's going to be. Let's go.
Oh. Did anybody check the weather forecast?
There's no way we can go to the beach in the rain.
Quick, back inside before we get wet.
But I don't want to go back inside. I want to go to the beach. I guess you're right, Puck. We can't stay outside. Now what do we do?
We'll just have to make the best of the day. Do our own things.
Oh, well, there's hoovering to be done.
And that cupboard needs fixing.
I need to water the houseplants.
Oh, today has already been too exciting. I think I'll have a little lie down.
And there's washing to do. You should put away all your seaside toys, ZOU.
But that's no fun. I'm sure we could have a day out somehow, Puck. There must be a way. I wonder. Mum, Dad, I've worked out how we can go to the beach.
How can we? Look at the rain.
We can get in the car and drive and drive and drive until we find a beach where it isn't raining.
This rain is very heavy, ZOU. I don't think driving anywhere will escape it.
What does the weatherman say? He'll know.
We're just in time to find out.
And the weather for today is rain, rain, rain for as far as the eye can see. Sorry about that.
Oh, looks like the rain is here to stay.
But what if there was a way of staying dry? What if we wore our Wellington boots? Oh no, I can't go out with soggy boots on. That would be horrible. I know! If we ignore the rain, it might go away quicker. Now it's getting really loud.
You should hear what it's like upstairs. It's even noisier in my room.
These earmuffs might block out the noise. Let's see if they work. It does work!
Pardon?
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 I said it works.
Yes, but I can still see the rain outside the window.
If we use these, we can ignore the rain completely. It works! I can't see or hear the rain.
And now I can't hear or see the rain. But how will we know when the rain stops?
We could stand here all day.
And not be able to move in case we bumped into something.
That's no fun either. I was so looking forward to the seaside park. I wanted to build a sandcastle, have a picnic and play hoopla. Perhaps we could still do all those things, but do them indoors instead. sunny day in at the seaside.
A day in?
Yes. Will you help me?
Well, what do you have in mind?
Brilliant, Grandpa. Now we can play beach hoopla. Yay! That's 10 points for me.
Hooray!
Well done, Grandpa. That's 20 points for you.
That looks like fun. Can I have a go?
Of course you can. If the dining room floor is the beach, then the living room floor can be the sea. But how can we make it look like water?
Leave that to me. All ready, ZOU.
It's like being at sea. Let's go surfing. Yay! Hey!
What are you two doing?
We're having a surfing race.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Splash! Wipe out!
I win.
Let me try. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Woohoo! Hey! I can't make a sandcastle with my new buckets. But I can make a flower castle.
Oh, that's the perfect amount to make a cake with.
I think we should make biscuits too.
I'm impressed, Bizou. You've been very creative today.
I didn't want the rain to spoil our day together.
Ta-da! Well, what do you think? We can't have a picnic on the beach without a castle-shaped cake.
That looks fantastic. Don't you think so, boys?
Hang 10! Lovely. First slice to the winner of this race.
You're on, son.
Everyone is having a great time, Pock. It's been a brilliant day after all. Hi, Elzee.
Hi, ZOU. The rain has stopped at last. Do you want to come out and play?
You know, we could still make it to the beach. Elzee could come too if you want.
But I'm having too much fun at our indoor beach.
You know what? So am I.
And me.
We are too.
We're not going out today, Elzee. But why don't you come in and play on our indoor beach? We've got a picnic and surfing and hoopla.
Oh, that sounds fun.
You can surf on that board, Elzee. Woohoo!
We must have a day in together more often. I don't think we could have a better time with anyone else, anywhere else.
Ha! Yes! Ha ha!
Well done.
Watch out, Elzee!
Wow, look at that big wave.
See you later, Bizou. Have fun.
Bye, Mum. Bye, Dad.
Bye. Oh, you're doing a very good job there, ZOU. You'll soon have these flower beds ready for planting.
I love gardening. When I grow up, I'm going to have a vegetable patch. Like yours, Grandpa.
My vegetables aren't doing so well at the moment, though. The soil's not rich enough.
Ooh.
Mind you, the slugs don't help. Eating their way through my lettuces.
Hey, shoo, you slugs. Leave those lettuces alone.
I don't think they're going to listen to you, ZOU.
ZOU! Grandpa! Lunchtime!
It's not just the slugs getting fed.
And you slugs, keep off Grandpa's lettuces.
After lunch, we'll dig in some good soil and replant some of the vegetables.
Finished already, ZOU? You must have been hungry.
Well, I was, but I need to keep an eye on those slugs.
Grandpa is lucky to have another gardener to help him.
I certainly am.
May I leave the table, Grandma?
Off you go.
You coming, Grandpa?
I've not finished my fruit salad yet. Or my coffee.
Oh. Ugh! I don't know how you and Grandma can drink that. It smells so strong.
Well, you go and check on those slugs then.
Huh? Oh no! What's happened? The slugs couldn't have done all this. Someone's dug all this up. Grandpa, quick!
What's wrong?
Look.
Ah, it looks as if we've had a visitor.
Who?
A mole.
A mole?
Yes, he's a little black animal that visits our garden from time to time.
But why has he done all that digging? It's not very nice.
It's what moles do. They live underground, and when they come up to the surface, they make little heaps of soil called molehills.
Molehills.
And we gardeners just have to live with them. All right, let's get to work and get rid of these molehills.
Where are we going to put all that extra soil?
Oh, we'll put it on our vegetable patch. It'll be nice, rich soil, too.
So the mole helped us after all.
Yes, I suppose he did.
We make a really good team, don't we?
We do. Hang on, let me give you a hand with that.
Oh, whoops. Sorry, Grandpa.
Not to worry, ZOU. But remember, a good team works together.
Hello. I'll just move you a little bit further away. They'll need some water now, won't they, Grandpa?
Very nicely done.
But what if the mole comes back and makes a mess of the garden again?
We'll just have to make sure he doesn't.
How?
Let's have a look in my gardening book. Here we are, moles. This small, long-nosed animal is afraid of birds.
Hear that, Pock? Moles are afraid of you.
Moles dislike strong smells. They avoid them. Now that's interesting. Maybe we could use something smelly to keep him away.
Smelly. What about coffee?
That might just work.
Grandma, did Grandpa leave any of his coffee?
There's a bit left in the pot. I was just about to throw it out. Why? Do you want some?
No, thank you. But Grandpa and I need it to keep the mole away.
Oh, good. There you are. But
Mwah. Thank you, dear.
Phew. There we go. I don't think the mole will dig around here again.
I hope not. Yeah, but what about the rest of the garden?
We'll have to protect that as well. Perhaps we could catch him and move him near to the fence. Maybe he'll dig there instead.
Good idea, ZOU. I may have something to catch him with in the garage. No, that's for catching fish.
We could use a fishing net.
Are you sure?
Well, I've caught butterflies in it before.
Well, in that case...
Whew. This mole hunting needs a lot of patience. Oh, there he is. Shh.
ZOU, your net.
Oh, no.
Oh, there he is again.
Oh, missed again.
ZOU! Quick, ZOU! I think he was frightened of the net.
Maybe he's gone forever.
Oh, I'm not so sure. They're very persistent little creatures, moles. He might come back. Yes, there he is again.
He tickles.
That'll be his claws. He uses those long claws of his to help him dig.
Don't get too close, Pock, or you'll scare him. Don't worry, I'm not going to hurt you. We just want our garden to look nice. So I'm going to move you over to the fence, where you can dig as many molehills as you want. Is that okay? I think he likes the sound of that. Ooh! There you go, Mr. Mole.
Well done, ZOU. No more molehills. And thanks to Mr. Mole and all that good soil he dug for us, the vegetable patch is going to be even better than before.
Hurrah for Mr. Mole!
And you, ZOU, one good turn deserves another. So, how would you like part of the vegetable patch to look after all by yourself?
My very own vegetable patch? Wow! Thanks, Grandpa! Oh, wow!
Hello, we're back.
Mum! Dad!
Did you have a good day, ZOU?
Oh, yes! We made friends with a mole!
Really?
Yes! Look! Oh, here he is. Hello, Mr. Mole. Do you like your new home?
Oh, it looks as if he's taken to you.
Guess what I'm going to be when I grow up?
I don't know, Bizou. What?
A gardener. And maybe Mr. Mole will help me with the digging. We could be a team, just like me and Grandpa.
I think your friend agrees.
Let's grow a cactus.
Or a sunflower.
How about an ivy?
No, an oak tree.
Hello, you two. What's all this about gardening?
We've been given a project to do by our teacher. She says we're to do a nature project.
Oh.
We've got to have it ready by next week.
We want to grow something. So we're trying to decide what.
I see. But a week, that doesn't give you very long. An oak tree takes years to grow.
There must be something we can grow in a week, even if it only grows a little bit.
Well, what about cress? It grows quickly, so it should be ready in time, but we'd better get started right away.
Yes! Come on, Elzee. OK, so we'll need cress seeds, some cotton wool to put the seeds on, and plant pots.
Like this?
Oh, we don't need anything as big as that. Yogurt pots will be just fine.
We had some yogurt for breakfast this morning. Maybe there's some more in the fridge.
Oh, and we'll need to keep the lids from the yogurts.
Why, Grandpa?
Because I know a certain little bird who's very keen on cress seeds for lunch. So we'll need to keep them out of harm's way.
Oh, Pop.
Right, let's get started. I've got some seeds in the garage.
And I'll ask Mum for some cotton wool.
There you go. 1 pack of cress seeds.
Yay!
All right, off you go. Get cressing. If you need me, I'll be in the garage.
Thanks, Grandpa. 1 for you, 1 for me.
But I'm not very hungry.
Then there's no need to eat it, Elzee. I could do with some yoghurt for my mint sauce. There you go. 2 flower pots, all ready for planting.
Thanks, Grandma.
That was lucky. Plain yogurt's not my favourite.
Me neither. Grandpa said to put the cotton wool in the pots.
Then we pour a little bit of water on the cotton.
Then we add the seeds. There, all done. Pork, those seeds are not for breakfast.
We'd better put the lids on.
OK, seeds, now get growing. Let's look at the cress. Look at how much it's grown.
Brilliant! It looks as if the pots have green hair.
That gives me a great idea. I'll be right back.
Huh?
Ta-da! No peeking. It's a surprise. Wow!
That's a great idea, ZOU. I'm going to paint my pot too. Look!
Hello. What's so funny? Oh, I see we have company. Very nice to meet you.
Mr. and Mrs. Cress.
We'd better make sure the paint doesn't get smudged. Why don't I put these pots by the window to dry?
Good idea, Grandma.
I'd better be getting home. See you later, ZOU.
Bye, Elzee.
Now, off you go and play, ZOU. I need the kitchen to make something myself.
Hey, Pock, wanna play? Oh, all right. If you're too tired, I'll play on my own.
Well, that is a strange haircut.
Oh, it's all my fault. Grandpa warned us. We're supposed to have our nature project ready in 2 days. I'd better go and tell Elzee.
Hi, Zoo. Come in.
Oh, that's nice. What is it?
Well, I'm making collages for an exhibition. Just one problem with collages, though. They get sticky.
Where are Mr. and Mrs. Cress? I thought you were coming over to show Mum.
Oh, Puck ate the cress.
Oh, no. We'll never grow more in time. What do we do now?
You don't have time to grow more cress, but there'll be plenty of time to make a collage, like mine. Only more to do with plants and flowers.
How do you mean, Mum?
Well, why don't you collect some leaves and flowers and seeds? Then you could stick them into a nice scrapbook. I used to love doing that when I was your age.
That's a great idea.
Brilliant!
Oh, at last.
This flower will be great for the scrapbook. What other plants could we pick up?
Thanks, Puck. That's just the thing we need for our scrapbook. I think Puck's trying to say he's sorry. Well, that's all right, Puck. I didn't know you read newspapers, Elzee.
I don't. I'm just pressing the flowers.
Now, let's put this on top. There. All you need to do now is wait until your flowers are pressed and dried. They should be ready to stick in your book by the morning.
Look, Zoo, they're ready.
That's going to look great in our scrapbook.
Mum, look at our scrapbook.
Oh. Now that's what I call a good job. It's even better than the ones I used to make.
I can't wait to show it to my family. And that's an oak leaf.
And so much easier to take to school than a whole oak tree.
Well done, ZOU. That's what I call a brilliant project.
Still, it's a pity that Mr. and Mrs. Cress lost their hair.
Yes, their heads will be cold. But I think I might have some hair restorer somewhere.
Cress seeds! Ah, thanks, Grandpa. Hang on, there are 3 packets here. We only need 2. Oh, I see. The 3rd packet is for pork.
I'll need to measure you for your jumper soon, ZOU.
I've got to go, Grandma. I don't want to be late for my art class.
All right, but I'll send Grandpa over when I need you.
Thanks, Grandma. Bye.
Today's Tapestry Day.
Ooh.
All you need is a frame and some coloured wool.
Then what do you do, Zoroaster?
You weave the wool in and out of the strings on the frame to make a pattern.
Ah, cool. Oh, yeah, I get it.
It can be anything you like. A tree, a cloud, or a colourful pattern.
Oh, I'm going to weave a big yellow sunflower.
Lovely idea, Elzee. What about you, ZOU?
I'd like to make a picture of the sea and the sky.
Wonderfully bold, ZOU. And you, Zach?
I don't know.
A vivid, abstract piece, perhaps?
Abstract. I like abstract.
Oh.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Oh.
If I'm not careful, my blue sea and blue sky will look like one big blue blob. Just like my abstract.
You could pop in a line of grey wool to separate the sea from the sky.
It might not show up.
Or you could add some decorations.
Decorations? Like what, Sigmund?
Anything you like, Elzee. Something that brings creative individuality to your work.
A ribbon, a sparkly star, buttons, a badge, even your name woven in neon thread.
Mum, please could you take us to Mr. Zoe's art shop to buy some decorations?
If that's all right with Zoroaster and Sigmund.
It's okay, but don't take too long.
Oh, can I come too, Zena?
Of course, Zoo. Zag, would you like to come with us?
No, thank you. I don't need anything.
OK.
Your abstract's coming along beautifully, Zach.
Thank you.
I could use this to decorate my flower stem.
Beads. These will be perfect for my picture.
What's my Zach making?
He's doing something abstract, Mr. Zoe.
He's really enjoying himself.
An abstract? My word, that sounds clever.
That is a lovely shade of green, Elzee.
It's my sunflower stem.
Beads! Wonderful colours, ZOU.
I'm going to use them to divide the sea from the sky.
Excellent idea.
Huh? Wow! Where did those come from? Your dad's shop. He's got loads of stuff.
I'm sorry, Zach, but we did ask you if you wanted to come with us before we left.
You said you didn't need anything. Never mind. Can I go now?
Oh. Sorry, Zach. I really must get back to my painting before the paint dries.
Will you take me to Dad's shop?
Sorry, Zach. We need to get your tapestries finished before break time.
Oh.
Why didn't I go to Dad's shop too? Here, have some of my beads. Thanks, Zoo. I'll weave them into my abstract.
That's very kind of you, ZOU.
Sorry to interrupt. Could I borrow ZOU for a minute, please? Grandma's knitting him a jumper. She wants to measure him. Oh, be as quick as you can, ZOU.
I will.
Stand still, Zoo.
Oh, I've got to get back, Grandma.
I just need to check it's the right length. There. That's fine. Off you go.
Bye.
You've totally transformed your abstract piece, Zach.
Are those all of ZOU's beads?
Oh.
But where are my beads? Oh!
Snack time.
Oh.
Oh, hello, ZOU. Everything all right?
Not really. I got some beads to decorate my tapestry, but Zach didn't have any, so I shared mine with him. But he used them all up.
Oh, so now you're all out of beads, eh?
Yes, and I can't ask Zach for the beads back. It'll spoil his tapestry.
Well, it was a very kind thing to do, ZOU.
Oh, being kind hasn't helped me finish my tapestry. It still looks like a big blue blob.
What sort of decorations do you need?
Zygmunt and Sir Roaster said we could use things that show our characters. Things that we like.
Well, there's no shortage of that stuff lying around this house. Come on. I've seen you wearing these badges.
These are my favourites.
Right, we'll start with those. And you like this too?
Yeah, I could use my special shell. The one with the hole in the middle. Oh, and my best pebble too. Mustn't forget my lucky zebra mascot. And my cool neon wristband. These things are much more me than beads are.
Oh, that should be enough. Any more decorations and you won't see your tapestry.
Thanks, Grandpa.
You're welcome, ZOU. Have fun.
Hello. ZOU, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to take all your beads. You can have them all back if you like, ZOU.
It's okay, Zach. You keep them. I thought of something else instead.
Wow.
These are all my favourite things. Funny badges, a smiley face, my special mascot, and my best football keyring.
It's certainly you, ZOU.
Ingenious.
And so personal.
It was Grandpa's idea.
Ah, but you're the one who put it all together.
The artist that brought the piece to life.
I finished my sunflower.
Let's take a look at all your work.
Elzee's beautiful blazing sunflower.
Oh, yes, and Zach's stunning use of beads on an abstract.
Yay!
And ZOU's unique use of decoration on his seascape.
Thank you.
Well done, all of you.
Top marks to the tapestry makers.
You said it looked like a big blue blob.
It did. Until I put my decorations between the sea and the sky.
Well, I think it's very impressive.
A colourful abstract piece that brings out the creative individuality of the artist.
What are you on about, ZOU?
That says everything about me.
ZOU, hold it for me, please.
Like this, Grandpa.
That's right, ZOU. Hold it there. This wonky shelf has needed fixing for ages. Perfect. Your Nana will be pleased.
Yeah! Yay! Oh, no!
Oh, it's not too bad, ZOU. Not beyond repair. I can fix it easily, and we'll tell your Nana when she gets back from her outing. Come on, ZOU. Let's fix it in my garage. Just Just a dab of glue, and it'll be almost as good as new.
I hope so, Grandpa.
See, Zoo? Look! You'd never know it had been broken at all.
It looks as good as new.
I'll just leave it here to dry properly. Oh, dear, look at that dust. Oops.
Oh, no. Now we'll have to buy Nana a new one. Don't worry, Puck. It wasn't your fault. Don't be sad. You can help us pick Nana a new one.
We'll get a new vase from your Aunt Zelda's shop.
Good idea, Grandpa. You'll like Aunt Zelda's shop. There's lots of things to see. Hope we can find Nana a nice vase.
I'm sure there'll be something suitable in the shop.
Yes, Aunt Zelda and Uncle Xavier will have lots of vases.
Well, you're right, Zoo. There are a lot of vases.
But I can't see one like Nana's.
Oh, I'm sure they'll have more inside.
Hi, Aunt Zelda.
Hello there, Zoo. What can I do for you?
We've come to buy a vase. I'm afraid we had a bit of an accident.
Ooh, that's a pity. Well, what kind of vase do you want? We've got all shapes and sizes here. This round one is very popular. Or this for long grasses. Maybe a multi-purpose vase? Or this dotty one.
That's all right, Aunt Zelda. We want one just like this.
Oh, I see.
There, that one. It's nearly the same.
Oh, yes, Sue. Well spotted.
Ah, that's a very popular model, made from a very fine clay. It's the last one in stock.
Thank you. Right, Sue, let's get this home. We'll pop into Mr. Zoe's on the way back. I just need to buy a few things.
Oh, would you mind taking him this display case? I promised I'd return it, but Xavier is out today, so I'm here on my own.
Oh, no problem at all. You carry the vase, and I'll take the case.
Bye, Aunt Zelda. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, I hope your Nana likes her new vase, Sue.
I think Nana's gonna love it, Grandpa.
Oh, I have to be careful there. Hello, Mr. Zoe.
Hello.
Zelda asked me to return this.
Oh, thank you. I needed that.
And I'll take some milk and butter. Oh, and some dried fruit as well. Thank you. I'll carry the vase now, Zoo. And you take this.
Thanks, Grandpa. Bye.
Bye.
We'll show your Nana the new vase first, Sue, and then explain that we broke her old one.
All right, Grandpa. Try some. It's yummy.
So it is. Oh, no!
Maybe you can fix it, Grandpa.
Oh, I don't know, Zoo. It might be too broken. But we can't leave it here.
Hi, Zoo.
Hi, Elzee.
What's wrong? You seem sad.
Well, I broke Nana's vase, so we got her a new one, and now that one's broken too.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry.
Well, Zoo, I just bought some clay. It's the kind that dries by itself.
Yes, we're going to make some pots.
So why not make your Nana a new vase?
Yes, please.
Oh, wonderful. I'll go and explain what happened to your Nana. She'll be back by now.
All right, Grandpa. I'll need the broken bits so I can check the colour and pattern.
Good idea. I'll leave these with you.
No problem.
See you later, Grandpa.
Bye.
This one's the wrong shape as well.
This one will look nice when it's painted, ZOU.
I suppose I could try. This is the same colour.
Oh, yes, a perfect match.
It's still not right. It doesn't look like Nana's old one.
That's all right, ZOU. You know, you could make something very nice with these bits of vase. Something very special.
Really?
Yes. I just need to sand down the sides of each broken piece to make them smooth. Then you press them into the clay.
Like this?
Yes, just like that. Here's a few more.
Thank you.
Here's the last piece, ZOU.
Finished. Great. Now I can go and show my Nana.
Wait. Take these, ZOU.
Thank you.
Now your Nana will have some flowers for her new vase. Don't forget your vase. I popped it in this bag for you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ZOU.
ZOU, I thought I heard you.
Nana, I got you these flowers.
Oh, they're beautiful. Thank you.
I wanted to say sorry for breaking your vase.
Ah, yes. Your grandpa told me. Don't worry, dear. These things happen. You were only trying to help me, and my shelf did need fixing.
I know, but I made you this. I hope you like it.
Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. It's the prettiest vase ever. And now I can put my flowers in there. How wonderful. You're so clever, ZOU. No one else has a vase like this.
Yes. No one else has two vases in one.